So today's an exciting day for us, as I've been looking on the news and I'm noticing that solar power, plug-in solar power, is something that has been illegal in the UK but legal in Europe, specifically in Germany. These balcony solar panel thingy-majigs with inverters. So I'm basically, if you found this video, I'm basically as new as you, but today, exciting day, we're going to go and pick up our first kit, which consists of 2 solar panels, an inverter, brackets, and as soon as we get that and we plug it in, our kind of load of things like fridge, freezer, charging the odd phone up here, the Ring doorbell, all of that is going to be taken care of. So we're going to be hopefully saving ourselves some money. At the minute we're not going to go the battery route, so it's just going to be what we take from the sunlight we need to use. If we don't, it goes back to the grid, but we don't get paid for that, because with the new rules changing, the plug and play solar, you can't earn money from the grid, and if you did, it has to be hardwired, and if you do that, you need an electrician. Doing it this way, I'm going to do it myself. So stay tuned, stick about, like and subscribe to my channel for this amazing adventure. There's going to be several parts to the video, and I'm going to show you basically how somebody who's never done solar before can get it working. Hopefully that's the plan, and then you can follow suit, and there'll be links to people you can connect with to get your solar panels. They do delivery and all sorts, so it's really cool. Stick with me and I'll see you on the next one, guys.